We spent a total of 28,747 pesos for a 5 days and 4 night DIY Taipei trip. For our airfare, 5,002 pesos via Cebu Pacific, and then travel tax, 1,620 pesos. For our check-in baggage, 20 kilograms, 323 pesos lang kasi apat kami naghati. For our hotel, we stayed at Sunny Hotel. I booked this through Agoda. Of course, you can use my code FLOWAGODA for hotels para may 10% off pa kayo dyan. 7,144 pesos each. And then for our North Coast tour na kinuha namin sa Klook, 1,050 pesos. And yung entrance namin sa Yellow Geo Park, 223 pesos. Sa Klook din yan, guys. So you can use my Klook promo code FLOW and get Klook for discount. And yung mga iba pa namin kinuha sa Klook is the eSIM, 410 pesos, and travel insurance for 456 pesos. We also got the Maokong Gondola from Klook. And then for our city tour, nag-private tour kami from Your Travel Guide. Yes, meron din sila dito sa Taiwan, hindi lang sila pang Japan. We paid 1,956 pesos each for an 8-hour customizable city tour. And then for our pocket money, nag-withdraw kami ng 5,000 NTD. So that's roughly around 10,000 pesos. Yan na yung ginamit namin for food, transpo, airport transfer na kinuha din namin sa Your Travel Guide, and some pasalubong. Yung iba sa amin nagdagdag na ng like 3,000 to 5,000 pesos for pasalubong. So depende na sa inyo kung magkano yung magagastos nyo sa pasalubong and shopping. We'll share our itinerary on the next vlog. Yun lang. Thank you so much for watching. Keep following me for vlogs and just go with the flow. Bye!